Hello, what is up everyone? My name is Sagar. In this video, I will show you how you can upload your app, this Flutter project on GitHub without using any commands. We have to upload to the GitHub. In some of the videos, I show you how you can upload your Flutter project on GitHub. But in this video, we just using the mouse or the extension, so you can directly publish your Flutter project on GitHub. So let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to go on the source control, and here it will say the folder currently open doesn't have a Git repository. You can initialize the repository, which will enable the source control feature powered by Git. So first, if you don't have a Git, you can initialize it, or if you wanted to directly upload your project to the GitHub, so you can also click on publish on GitHub. First, I will click on it, publish the GitHub. So here it will ask you wanted extension. GitHub wants to signing on GitHub, so I will click allow. It will go to the Safari. It will open this project. Then it is taking some time. It is asking us publish to GitHub a private repository or public repository. I just wanted to click a public repository, and it is also asking the name of the repository. I will set a REST API project. REST API project. Okay, I don't have any problem with. I just REST API river pod project. Okay, this name is looking good. I will click on public repository, and it will directly publish our GitHub. It will directly publish our project on GitHub. It will also give us this open on GitHub. I will just click on it. Here it is saying your app is published on GitHub. Here it is, quick and simple. You will instantly found this in the GitHub. So this is a quick video how you can upload your app or project in GitHub. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section. I will put in the link in the description of the last video where we talk about how you can request the HTTP GET method and the post method. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.
You wanna know just where